Hi, I'm Rita and I'm part of EcoEap. In celebration of Earth Day, we want to share some activities with you. Obviously, we'd rather be outside, plant some trees, pick some garbage, but we just can't do that right now. So I'm gonna walk you through 5 eco-friendly DIYs that I do on every day. So the theme is gonna be repurposing, and hopefully this inspires you to do this at home during quarantine.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna repurpose our clothes. In spring cleaning, you're gonna go through your clothes and you're gonna wanna donate or throw something out, and stop! Let's repurpose our tops. So with summer also around the corner, you can make some crop tops. So you can make little long ones that you don't think are cute anymore into crop tops. Or, if you got muscles, which I don't have, you can start showing them in some muscle shirts, and we're gonna do that as well. We're gonna start with the crop top first, so we can put this shirt away. And so, like I pointed to the belly button, so sometimes you can fold it or leave it out. I like to leave it out. Okay. So then I just start cutting straight. Pull it, and now it's a crop top. So this is our crop top. We've made other tops and sweaters. So next one is a muscle shirt. So you're gonna cut around the edges here, okay? So I just start wherever. I mean, sometimes, start where you wanna put your hand to tickle someone. So maybe about this much. And what you could do is measure it so that it looks the same. And these cloths can be reused. And this is our muscle shirt. So number 2, so after getting the cloth from the fabric that we just cut, we're gonna have a whole bunch of leftover cloth. And that you can repurpose to a lot of different things. Cleaning rag, napkins, towel, whatever you want to do with yourself with it. But the point of it is becoming zero waste, and you don't have to throw a napkin out after. You can cut it into different sizes, whatever you need. So that's number 2. Number 3. So during quarantine, I know everyone's been stocking up on tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, rosé sauce, which is Vanita's favorite. And when you're done with it, you can obviously, if you're gonna recycle it, make sure to clean all the contents inside before throwing it out, or repurpose it. So here, when we're done, I throw into the machine, and then it comes out, and I take off the label, and it becomes an empty jar. So you can repurpose it into so many different things. So here we use it for storage. I put my chia seeds, sunflower seeds, sugar, pumpkin seeds. In this one, I put oranges, but you could put any type of snacks you want, or even your lunch. So in addition, there's so many different ways you can store stuff. Let me show you. Okay, it's a little heavy, but you can also store grains and baked goods. So here we have rice, more rice, some quinoa, cinnamon, cornstarch, and the list goes on and on and on and on. I don't think you heard me, but number 4, we're gonna make an all-purpose cleaner. So we got orange peels, jars, vinegar, and these are all things you're gonna find around the house. So during quarantine, I hope you guys are getting your vitamin C. Great source is from oranges. That's what I like. And where I usually finish it and cut the peels and store them in the jar. So after you kind of accumulate to the top, and you could fill it with lemon or limes or oranges, and then I pour vinegar, and I kind of reach it right above where the peels are at. So after filling it up, it's gonna take about 2 weeks before it starts looking like this. And this is what I use for my this is the all-purpose cleaner. I repurpose another spray bottle once it's empty, and I pour it in, and this is basically it. This is a eco-friendly cleaner. Yeah. Last but not least, this one's for the dog owners. So this one's where you can repurpose plastic bags to poop bags. So I found some random things around the house that I just use as poop bags, this is basically the plastic wrapper for bread. I love using this because you can't use this as a garbage can, like a garbage bag. This came from an Amazon package. Obviously your items go in and people toss it out, but it looks like a good poop bag to me. And things that obviously you would use is like when you put your vegetables in from the grocery store, which I don't use, this is an old one, and just different size of bags that you just cannot use for a garbage bag. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys found something interesting. We want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay safe, stay healthy, and we're gonna get out of this together. And when we get out of here, we're gonna plant some trees, we're gonna hug the earth. And so, like I said, happy Earth Day, and bye!